Namaskar. Today we are going to talk about fermented food, which have been a part and parcel of Indian cuisine for centuries. From idlis and dosas to pickles and curd, fermented food is an essential part of our Indian diet and have been enjoyed in India for generations. Not only do they taste great, but they also offer a range of health benefits. In Ayurveda, fermented foods are considered to be sattvic. They consider it to be pure, highly valued for their ability to promote digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and boost overall health. First, they help with digestion. So understand, fermented foods are rich in enzymes that help break down complex carbohydrates, proteins, and fat, making them easier to digest. This can lead to a better nutrient absorption, reducing bloating and gas, and improve overall digestive health. Again, fermented food help balance our gut microbiome. Probiotics, which are found in fermented food, help promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut. This can boost our immune system, improve our mood, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart diseases. Again, fermented food can help reducing inflammation in our body. Organic acids, which are produced in the fermented process, have anti-inflammatory properties and can help lower the levels of inflammation in our body. This can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve overall health. So, how could we incorporate more fermented food in our diet? Here are few tips. First, start small. Ayurveda recommends introducing new food gradually to avoid overwhelming your digestive system. Start with small serving of fermented food, such as a half cup of homemade curd, and gradually increase the serving size to 1 cup. Second, choose fermented foods that are appropriate for your body type. In Ayurveda, each individual has unique dosas or constituents, which is Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, that influences their health and well-being. Choose fermented food that are appropriate for your doshas to ensure maximum benefits. For example, if you have a Vata dosha, which tends to be cold and dry, you may benefit from warming, moisturizing fermented foods such as idlis or kanji. If you have a Pitta dosha, which tends to be hot and fiery, you may benefit from cooling, soothing fermented foods such as lassi or buttermilk. If you have Kapha dosha, which tends to be heavy and sluggish, you may benefit from light, stimulating fermented food such as dhokla or chaach, buttermilk. Again, try to eat fermented food at the right time in a day. Ayurveda recommends eating your largest meal during the mid of the day, when your digestive fire or agni is strongest. This is the best time to eat fermented foods, as they can enhance digestion and nutrient absorption. Fermented foods are a valuable part of Indian cuisines and offer numerous benefits for our health. By incorporating fermented foods into your daily diet, you can improve digestion, boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, and enhance overall well-being. Remember to start small. Choose fermented food appropriated for your doshas and consider making your own fermented food. Namaskar.